What are we doing, Xander?
Currently doing the fuel pump.
Yeah, we're getting the old one out. Fun. Yucky. Yeah, places fuel pumps don't belong. 5 million miles away from the tank.
Yes, we don't really have wire, now that I think about it, which I told you to get a long time ago. Donkey also sent you a giant list on what wire to get. So.
Yeah. We'll get some. Don't worry about it. You
Okay.
gotta mount the pump anyway. Get all that out of there. Button that mess up. What?
A mount to pump?
We need to mount the pump.
I got a mount to pump.
That's what I said. Mount the pump.
I gotta pump your mount.
You're gonna mount what? Who you mounting?
I'm gonna mount you.
Without even taking me to lunch first?
You mean I have a pump to mount?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Pump. No, that's not what you said.
6-7. Anyway, so we got to get this resolved here, which isn't going to be too bad. And then, yeah. Oh, look, Xanderina has what we need. Glad I bought you those.
Yeah? Because then, go like this. That goes on. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Oh, actually, no. This goes on first.
Nut ferrule coupling.
Then
Ferrule.
this. Then this.
There you go. And then you make your piece for in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put another one here.
Because doing this whole line would be, because I don't even know where that goes, and it'll probably be super expensive.
Yeah. So, way better than just putting a piece of rubber here like ghetto people would do. So, all right. Xander's going to carry on.